If you want to change your Google Chrome background, then this video is for you. Here in this video, we will discuss how we can change Google Chrome background. So that being said, let's get started. For that, simply open Google Chrome browser, open a new tab. Here you will find Customize Chrome. Simply click on this button. And here you will find all the customization option. So if you just want to change the color scheme, then from the color scheme panel, simply select the color combination. And this will change the color combination of your Google Chrome browser, as you can see here. You can also apply dark theme. For that, simply select dark, and here you will get color combination based on dark theme, as you can see here. You can also select your custom color by clicking on this pen icon. However, if you want to change the default color theme, then you can simply turn on follow device colors. However, if you want to change the background of Google Chrome, then simply click on Appearance tab. Here click on Change Theme, and here you will find different themes option. So if you want to change the Google Chrome background color to solid colors, then simply select this category. Here you will find different solid color option. Simply select the one you like. You can also turn on refresh daily option. When you turn on this option, this will automatically change your solid background color. Similarly, if you want other category of wallpapers or background, then simply select the category. Look for the background that you want to apply, then select it. Also, if you want to change the background of Google Chrome browser on daily basis from the same category, simply turn on this option. However, if you want to keep it default, then simply select Default Chrome. This will reset all your changes to default settings. So that's it. These are the settings you can use to change your Google Chrome background. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.